I love her tone. Girl, okay? Love the flag of Malaysia waving in the background. What's going to happen now? Hello guys, hello Malaysia, Southeast Asia, everyone, thank you so much for being here and welcome back to my channel. Today, my goodness, it's my first time to react to The Masked Singer in Malaysia. It is actually happening right now and I've missed out on a lot of performances. But tonight you guys want me to react to this specific performance of the song Standing in the Eyes of the World. This is originally by Ella. She is a Malaysian legend diva and the singer is Burung. Hantu, okay? I'm not sure if it's gonna be a girl or a guy, but anyway, I could not wait to watch this. So without further ado, guys, let's go check out the voice of Burung Hantu with the song Standing in the Eyes of the World. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Burung Hantu. Oh, it's a girl. Okay, because of the features of the mask.
Je benda aku nak kongsi. Kalau tidak, memang tak senang duduk aku jadinya. Masa tu, aku rasa semua orang perlu tahu tentang siapa aku.
Ya ampun.
Tetapi, apa keperluannya untuk orang luar tahu tentang diri aku?
Oh, what are those numbers that she's dialing?
Buat hal sendiri. Aku tenang dengan pilihan ni.
Kita diambang untuk meraihkan lagu negaraku berkumandang.
That was Lee Chong Wei, right?
Suzuki Cup 2010 goes
Whoa.
to Malaysia.
Oh, so this is like a celebration of the wins of Malaysia. Wow. Badminton.
Tinta sejarah yang sukar dicari ganti.
Wow.
Rakyat Malaysia cukup hargai. Malaysia, Malaysia.
Wow, okay. Because this song is so suitable for sports competitions. Ooh. Beautiful tone. Wow. This song is quite high actually, but she is able to hit those notes quite well. Nice. Detail. I love her tone. Girl, okay? Wow. Ooh. Love the resonance right there. Love her English also. Love the flag of Malaysia waving in the background. Beautiful. She has a beautiful tone, and her high notes are effortless actually. You know what? This song is actually not easy to sing, and there's a lot of pressure because the singing of Ella is just impeccable. But she did justice to this song, so great job to you, Burung Hantu, whoever you are. Oh, they're actual athletes who won. Is it okay, guys, if the flags are like touching the ground? Maybe it's okay in Malaysia. Because in the Philippines, yeah, I think we're not allowed to let the flag touch the ground. Anyway, to each his own.
Musician, are you ready? Here we go.
What's going to happen now? Ella is singing her own song. Oh my god! Oh, her tone is so special. Aww. Her tone is so beautiful and iconic. This song is just making you guys like, you know, feel proud, I think, because me myself, I'm not Malaysian, but the way they sing it, you know, and the way Ella is singing it, it's full of pride. Oh, somebody just cried. I told you. It can make you emotional. Oh, bless you, dude.
Thank you.
That guy who cried, he loves Malaysia so much.
Yes. Oh.
This song is iconic.
Juga terus mengharumkan nama Malaysia di mata dunia. Tapi dengan itu juga tepukan untuk Burung Hantu.
Burung Hantu, you did a great job.
Ramona Zamzam.
Ya, saya.
Kasih cerita sikit lah.
Ramona sebenarnya teremosi dengan lagu.
Oh, I told you guys, this song
Yes.
can get you emotional.
Semangat memuncak sebentar tadi tanya bukan hanya dengan Burung Hantu tapi juga kita ada wira-wira negara bersama dengan kita. Kita tahu betapa sukarnya mereka memperjuangkan dan menaikkan nama Malaysia di mata dunia. Yes, Ramona.
Maaf Dato' Isi, maaf Burung Hantu. Ramona teremosi sangat-sangat. Lagu tu sangat meaningful sebenarnya. Kalau macam kita nak fikirkan apa saja yang dah jadi pada negara kita. And then Kak Ella memang betul-betul dapat bawa lagu tu dulu. So Ramona macam meremang bila dengar balik.
I love Ella.
Macam apa yang Dato' Isi cakap, kita fikir macam mana diorang wakil negara dan macam mana diorang punya work hard untuk menaikkan nama negara.
Dan Burung Hantu juga work hard ya menyanyi di sebalik topik.
Ya, betul.
True. She worked hard for it. She sounded good with her singing.
Anda cuba meneka.
Okey, Ramona nak teka Burung Hantu adalah Bunga Ismi.
Bunga Ismi.
Bunga Ismi. Oh.
Ya, sebab
Oh,
daripada
that's her
lepas
guess.
Suara hari
Yes,
ni, Ramona lebih yakin yang Burung Hantu kemungkinan adalah Bunga Ismi. Harap betul lah.
Yes, itu dia Kak Ramona. Kita bersama dengan si cendik pandai. Pak Anil, Dato' Asnel Haji Nawawi, pemegang dekan musim kedua, dikatakan pernah mencatat rekod pemikir paling dahsyat.
Burung Hantu, awak telah menaikkan lagu itu sesuai dengan semangat
Yes.
Standing in the Eyes of the World.
Ya,
Dan Awak boleh menyanyi depan tuan punya lagu dan awak tukar cara nyanyian yang tak mencacatkan pun lagu. So good. Dan kehadiran hero-hero kita, mereka lagu awak menaikkan lagi semangat dan kami bangga dengan kehadiran mereka dan saya bangga awak menyanyikan lagu itu. Thank you so
with this
much.
song.
Very
Sekian.
good.
Sekian, terima kasih.
Jadi tekaan partner yang membanggakan. Hey, hello. Mana? Afsad duduk.
Dia kan bagi ucapan je.
He got tired. Hana Delisha is his guest. Okay, I need to listen to those singers they mentioned.
Yang ini Anga Derita.
Yeah. Okey, hai Burung Hantu. Malam ni satu persembahan yang cukup membanggakan saya sebagai orang Malaysia, rakyat Malaysia. Persembahan yang cukup baik, semua dah cakap dah. Saya lebih suka nak direct, nak teka awak sebenarnya. Pasal apa? Bila saya kaji daripada episod pertama, episod kedua, episod tiga, saya tahu awak adalah rakan saya dalam industri filem. Okey.
Inilah juri yang prihatin.
Oh ya.
Kita kena buat kajian tu. Habis duduk sini nak buat apa? Mesti kena berfikir pakai otak yang baik. Okey, episod pertama awak kata awak suka waktu senja. Bila sampai waktu senja, nanti malam awak akan berenergi. Pasal apa? Awak ni merupakan seorang pelakon yang banyak dalam cerita hantu. Okey? Dia pernah bergandingan saya dalam filem cerita hantu. Dia ni seorang yang cantik tau tu.
Oh, iya ke?
Dan lately ni dia suka ambil gambar, suka buat TikTok. Okey? Yang berada dalam maskot tu adalah kawan saya. Yang saya panggil akak ya. Emiza Aznan.
Iniza Asnan, another singer.
Ni nak tanya,
Okay, I have not heard of all those singers that I mentioned, so you guys can tell me or lead me to their videos.
Wah! Confirm kau pergi final bulan tu.
I sayang you too.
She loves Ella, and Ella loves her back. Beautiful. Ella is so pretty. She is not aging at all. Great job, Burung Hantu. Whoever you are, Bunga Ismi, Anisa, Asnan, Hana Delisha. Oh. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Okay, but with regards to the singing, I love it so much. I love her tone. I love the way she is behind notes. It was effortless. And obviously, Ella, the original singer, loved it. So thank you so much. Everybody has been requesting me to react to this video. It was worth it. Love her voice. If you got more videos of this singer or other singers from your country that you want me to react to, you know a drill. Comment down below. You could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok for all of the description box right down below. If you like this video, please don't forget, jangan lupa to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you like my channel and content, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much. Terima kasih banyak semua. Harap anda semua terhibur dan jumpa lagi di dalam video seterusnya. Bye.